Good morning. So today we will learn about data analytics using Power BI and Tableau, Unit 1, that is data analysis with Power BI by Miss R.R. Ohar. Overview of Power BI. So here the Power BI is a data visualization and intelligence tool by Microsoft that converts data from different data sources to create various business intelligence reports. What is business intelligence? So the business intelligence is the process of analyzing business data and presenting it in user friendly graphical ways such as dashboard, reports, charts, graph, etc. So these reports helps the business owners to drive changes, eliminate inefficiencies and adapt to the market changes. So there are many business intelligence tools that helps in building business intelligence reports. So nearly 50% of companies use BI tools and many companies are opting to integrate BI tools into their system. So the tools like Microsoft BI are used over 300,000 companies for business intelligence. What is Power BI? So the Power BI is a business analytical tools that Microsoft owns. So it is one of the leading business intelligence tools trusted by most IT companies in the market to improve their business growths. So it provides advanced analytical tools, reports and visualizations. Power BI is such as versatile and platform independence tools that user can be embedded on the cloud, mobile and web apps. So here is a note that is Microsoft Power BI comes with a free or paid version. So the free version only provides Power BI tools like Power BI Desktop and Power Question Answers to dashboard. Whereas in the Pro version they provide services like live report sharing, Power View and more Power BI apps. Why Power BI? So, in today's world, organization needs a tool that can help them understand the large amount of data that they are collecting. So, the Microsoft Power BI was introduced to fulfill their needs. It is powerful that data visualization and analysis tool that allows businesses to turn raw data into actionable insights and reports. The Power BI helps users who are beginners, who do not come from analytical or a tech background. Still, they can create report on the Power BI desktop. So the Power BI history we'll see. So the for organizational success, making informed decision based on the available data is crucial. So the Microsoft Power BI was created to fetch relevant data and present it is an easily understandable format. Once created by Ron George, it was first called Crescents and then later with the help of a theory heads and Amir Nates of Microsoft SQL Server reporting service to the team. So it becomes a Power BI. So release is Power BI Office 365 in September 2013. It became publicly available on July 24, 2015. So these tools swiftly transform raw data into meaningful and useful information. So these are the components of Power BI: Power Query, Power View, Power BI Desktop, Power BI Websites, Power Pivot, Power Map, Power Question and Answer, Power BI Mobile Apps. Continue with this. So Power Query. For a data mashup and transformation, Power Query is the data transformation and mashup the engine. It enables you to discover, connect, combine, and redefine or refine data sources to meet your analysis need. It can be downloaded as an add-in for Excel or can be used as a part of the Power BI desktop. Second point, Power Pivot for in-memory Tableau data modeling. So the Power Pivot is a data modeling technique that lets you create data models, establish relationships, and create a calculation. So it uses a data analysis expression DAX language to model simple and complex data. Thank you.